The African continent faces a moment shaped by progress, partnership, and possibility. Across the continent, we are witnessing transformation, infrastructure that connects nations, innovation that powers opportunity, and partnerships that are rewriting Africa's investment narrative are being created. This progress is not coincidental. It is the result of collaboration and a collective commitment to accelerate Africa's development agenda. The Africa Investment Forum embodies that commitment. It is not just an event. It is a dynamic platform where partners unite to translate ideas into investment and investment into impact. Through the forum, the Development Bank of Southern Africa continues to help shape a collaborative space where partnerships drive investment confidence. To bridge the gap of mobilizing private capital means to connect ambition with execution, to ensure that Africa's investment potential becomes Africa's performance story. It also means to augment fiscal allocations. Our role at the DBSA is to act as a catalyst, mobilizing private capital, de-risking investments, and ensuring that development finance opens opportunities for broader participation. The Africa Investment Forum enables this role. It serves as a marketplace where governments, development finance institutions, and investors come together to align on continental investment decisions. Through the Africa Investment Forum, we've seen a meaningful investment interest directed towards projects that are transforming lives, powering communities with renewable energy, improving access through transport and water networks, and connecting people through digital infrastructure. The DBSA has been deeply involved at every step, structuring, preparing, and accelerating projects to bankability through our Project Preparation Fund and technical expertise. But the most meaningful progress is the impact on people's lives. Families with access to clean water, entrepreneurs powered by reliable energy, youth connected to the digital economy, a child studying under solar-powered light, a farmer gaining access to new markets, a community connected by a bridge. This is what bridging the gap looks like, turning capital into capacity and investment into inclusive economic growth. Looking ahead, our ambition is clear: to deepen collaboration and scale impact. The DBSA will continue to play a catalytic role within the Africa Investment Forum ecosystem, from early-stage project development to co-financing and implementation. We are focusing on areas that will define Africa's next decade: climate resilience, digital transformation, regional integration, and sustainable cities. Together, and through the Africa Investment Forum, we are proving that Africa's growth is not a promise, it is already in motion. Behind every deal, every project, and every partnership, there's a human story. These are the stories that always remind us why we do what we do. Bridging the gap is not just about building infrastructure. It's about building hope, opportunity, and dignity. As we move forward, the message is simple: Africa is investable. Africa is resilient. Africa is ready. The DBSA stands alongside our partners to ensure that the momentum created through the Africa Investment Forum continues to translate into measurable, lasting impact. Together, we will bridge the distance between vision and value, transforming Africa's investment potential into a legacy of shared prosperity. I thank you.